How to make your first $100 online with ChatGPT. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have another video about ChatGPT. And for today's video, I will show you how you can easily make money using ChatGPT and start earning $100 per day. So with ChatGPT, there are different ways that you can make money online, and some of this I will share it to you today. And these are the different ways that you can make money online using ChatGPT right away, and you can start doing this after this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is that inside the ChatGPT, you can offer a copywriting services. You can do freelancing as a copywriter. So as you can see here, if you go to Fiverr, if you search for copywriting, so as you can see here, these are some freelancers who offer copywriting services. And as you can see here, some of them charge $15 and some of them charge at $100. And also we have $100 here, $110, $300, $175 and $125. So it will depends if how long can you write the one project. If you can deliver the project faster, then that is the time that you can ask for more payment. So I guess these freelancers here who offer $100 and above, these are freelancers who can deliver the project faster in just one day. That's why they are charging a lot, because they can provide a service faster than the other copywriters here. So also one thing that I would like to show you is the proposal. This is the proposal that I received from Upwork. So here, as you can see, they offer a competitive starting monthly payment, which is negotiable up to 1,000 US dollar per month for 2,500 words per workday. And I will show you exactly, guys, how you can use ChatGPT to provide this kind of service. So all you need to do is to create your ChatGPT account. So you just need to visit the openai.com, and down here, as you can see, the feature that they have. So one of the feature that they have is the ChatGPT. And let's just go ahead and go back to the ChatGPT. This is the main dashboard. So over here, you can just write something. So for example, if your client will ask you to write a blog with 800 words about this kind of topic, then you can just write here, write me a 800 words blog about, and then you can just put the title here. For example, let's just say how to earn money online in 2023. And then just click enter. And with that, as you can see, ChatGPT is starting to write you a 800 words blog about this topic. If you like, you can review this one if you like some editing. But if you are satisfied with the result, because as far as I know, ChatGPT will provide you good outcome. So you can go ahead and copy and paste this and then send it to your clients. But try to avoid sending this result in just 1 hour or 2 hours, because your client will start wondering how you're able to do it. So try to send this one maybe after 4 hours or after 5 hours for a review. If your clients want to change or do some editing, then you can do that. So that's how easy you can make use of ChatGPT for copywriting rule. So the second one that I'd like to show you is when you like to create a YouTube channel and start monetize, you can also make use of ChatGPT. So for example, let's click new chat over here, and then if you don't know if what kind of YouTube channel you want to create, then just ask ChatGPT, give me some ideas to start my YouTube channel, and then click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will give you some ideas here that you can start your YouTube channel. So we have 10 results here, which is vlogging, tutorials, review, comedy, gaming, Q&A, DIY project, travel, music, documentary. If you want more, you can just ask more, and then ChatGPT will give you additional 10 ideas. So now you have 20 ideas to start your YouTube channel, and then If you're interested to one of this topic, then for example, for educational and teaching, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT, can you help me find ideas for number 14? All right, and as you can see here, ChatGPT responded, sure, here are a few ideas for education and teaching content on YouTube channel. So here are some of the topic here that you can talk about inside your channel. So you have your language learning, school subjects, test preparation, study skills, career advice, personal development, homework help, STEAM education, art and design, DIY. So for example, you will be selecting personal development. You can ask here, give me some topics about number 6. And with that, ChatGPT will provide you the ideas here. Alright, so we have the personal development, share advice and tips for personal growth and self-improvement, career advice, lifestyle and wellness, relationship and dating, parenting, mental health, etc. So for technology, we also have here, share your thoughts on the latest technology, gadgets, or do unboxing and review videos. Give me some topics about number 2. Here are a few ideas for tutorial topics for YouTube channel. So cooking, makeup, DIY, photography. So here you can now ask ChatGPT to write you a script for photography content. So for example, here I will type, write me a YouTube script about number 4. All right, so over here, I just rewrite the text prompt. So I just change it to write me a 6 minutes YouTube script about photography for beginners, make it professional. Because the one that I got earlier is not really good. It's very short and it's for comedy. So here you have now the script. So introduction, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about photography for beginners. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is for you. So that's really good intro. And then here you have the body, and here is the subtopics that you will be discussing inside the video, and you have 5 here: understanding your camera, composition, lighting, camera settings. And I know since the ChatGPT is an AI, so it just give you a quick summary over here. But no worries, guys, because you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate more each of these subtopics. So just enter here, now elaborate number 1 or body number 1, and then click enter. And now ChatGPT will give you more details or information about that, and you can use this one to add in your script. So here we have, when it comes to taking great photos, understanding your camera is essential. So you can now go ahead and create your videos and then upload your videos inside the YouTube channel and get monetized. Then that's the time that you can earn money. So those are 2 ideas that you can make use of ChatGPT to earn money online. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today, and thank you for watching.